duhuje ibiganza twakira umwuka wera hano hantu.
Because when you... Oh, I have to wait for you, sorry. As we were worshiping, me, I felt the presence of God in this place already. And trust me, you will not go back the same way you came. If you came depressed, you will go back happy. If you came when you're sick, you go back healed. If you came when you're troubled, leave your troubles here. Amen. Can I see your smiles? Can I see your smiles? That is very good. Okay, I'll tell you a brief story. Then I go into the word. Some time back, when I was growing up, I was a very young boy who had a lot of dreams. I love driving so much. He knows me when it comes to Uganda. I drive a lot. I studied, I did business, specifically marketing. I'm a very good marketeer. If you give me your product to sell, wow, I'll talk to people and they'll buy. And I love children and I love people. But when I was around the age of 22, I had my friends. Most of them were done with university. One of them got a job in South Africa. He was a teacher at some college, teaching economics. So when he went, for us in the village, we felt left out. All of us said, now we have to follow this guy. We have to go to South Africa. Remember, I was not done with my studies. I had no qualification apart from driving. So we got some guy from Kenya, where our sister comes from. Me from Uganda. There were some from Tanzania. And we back to our journey to go to South Africa. I had no visa. We were just crossing border by border. We entered Nairobi, entered Tanzania, Dar es Salaam, there is Tunduma, until Lusaka, that is Zambia. So we entered Zimbabwe. Now trouble came. Are you following me? I'm coming to my message. Trouble came. We entered Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is different. You can't just enter Botswana or South Africa without a visa in your passport. The way I have my visa today to be in Rwanda, it is here. So you needed a visa. And their visa was tricky and hard. They ask a lot of questions. So as young men, we entered the terror, immigration. You find people seated. Look at it. Like officers, immigration officers. So you put your passport. Ask young man where you're going. What are you going to do? Angaz. They say no. You're disqualified. We've denied you visa. The second one also. Where are you going? What are you going to do? You're denied visa.
nawe viza turayikwimye ntabwo yemerewe.
All of us were denied visa.
Twese uko twari kumwe ya groupe yacu batwima viza.
So we went in the corner.
Twaje tujya ahantu mu nguni imwe.
This Kenyan guy was very wise.
Uyu nguyu uturuka muri Kenya yari umunyabwenge kuturusha.
He told us, I'm giving you plan B.
Anatuga rero ngiye kubaha urumva twari twapanze umupango wa mbere ngiye kwabira umupango wa kabiri.
There is a game park. You know there is a game park around there at the border.
Atuga ati hari ahantu hari parike. Urabona hafi y'imipaka hari abari ibihuru nyine hadatu.
Do you know game park?
Urazi
all wild animals are kept where?
Ubango inyamaswa zose z'ishyamba ziba ziri muri parike. Ubwo hari parike hafi y'imipaka.
After lunch time there,
arabango iyo igihe cya sasa kigeze,
these animals are satisfied.
Izi nyamaswa ziba zihaze.
They are sleeping.
Ziba ziryamiye nta kibazo.
So we shall cross.
Twere tuzagenda twambuke
Slowly.
Gahoro gahoro.
Slowly.
Gahoro gahoro.
Until when we reach the border.
Kugeza ubwo tuzamuka umupaka.
Towards Botswana.
Tukagera ku ruhande rwa Botswana.
And we go to South Africa.
Twera duca hujya tukinjira muri South Africa.
Then I was like, oh my God.
Mana yanjye.
What if I bump into a lion?
Ubwo ndamutse nkandageye nko ku ntare byagenda bite?
I said no.
Nabaga
Kenyan guy.
uyu mutipe
Plan B no.
uyu mutipe mureke ndavuga numva uburyo bwa kabiri umbwiye reka ntabwo byashoboka.
He said, okay, I have another plan.
None tamwe turufite undi mupango wa gatatu.
They are these big pipes of sewage. They are just big. Do you know sewage? Sewage. Like when you go in the toilet, when you flush, that sewage goes in those pipes. So there are those pipes that take them maybe to a level of sewage.
Yaratubwiye ngo hari ibitiyo binini bitwara imyanda. Urabona nka kuriya ibyo muri toilette ukamara gukora ibyo ukora ugafungura amazi aca mu itaka ajya muri fosse boutique sibyo. Urabona hari ibitiyo biba bitwara ibintu by'amazi mu bihugu bimwe na bitandukanye ushobora gucamo. Twara imyanda.
What did you say? Marakora bikora.
You go to it, do what you do.
Okay.
So now we know sewage, right?
So there were those big pipes in town of sewage. Every sewage around town. There is a place for us to call it a lake of sewage. So in Zimbabwe, the place where we are that time, they used to release that sewage at around 10 a.m.
ahantu twari turi muri Zimbabwe imyanda myinshi basorekanya muri cya cyobo kinini bayisoraga saa 4 z'amanywa.
And the whole day it's flowing.
Noneho kuva saa 4 z'amanywa bigahora bigatemba ibyo barekuye byose.
So this Kenyan wise guy told us,
uyu munyakenya rero wari ufite imipango myinshi ubutiriganya bica tubwira,
another option is,
aravuga ngo andi mahirwe ahari rero,
we go early in the morning,
tuza kugenda kare mu gitondo,
we enter the pipes of sewage,
twinjire muri cya gitiyo
and
kijyana
we start
imyanda,
growing like babies, growing
tugende tukambakamba muri cya gitiyo
until when we cross
kugeza ubwo tugeraho cya gitiyo gihingukira
Zimbabwe.
kuko kirasohoka muri Zimbabwe.
Meaning if we enter at 7,
bivuga ngo tukijyamo saa 4 za mu gitondo,
we have only 4 hours to be out.
tuba dufite amasaha yo guca muri rya gitiyo twihuta tugasohokamo mbere y'uko basohora ya myanda ngo icemo.
I looked at him and I said, okay, Kenyan guy, Kenyan friend. What if Elisha am there?
Byagira bite mu gihe ndibuze ko ndi muri iyo tiyo ngewe Elisha
and there is sewage.
Baraza bakarekura ya myanda.
Do you know what he told me?
Uzi icyo yambwiye?
Shauri yako. That word means what? Our sister knows very well.
Ari jambo ryitwa bito muri shauri yako.
It's up to you.
Baba ngo niba ruko birekuye urimo ibyo muri bya bantiza ruko birakureba. Kira muntu yimenye. Kwese yimenye.
And I said no.
Nari namubwira rero umugambi nawo ndawuhakanye.
I'm not going to Zimbabwe. Sorry, I'm not going to South Africa.
Bitamara ugiye kujya muri Afrika y'Epfo ndabiretse.
I'll end here in Zimbabwe.
Ndaguma hano muri Zimbabwe
and go back home.
Zasubira iwacu mu rugo.
I have a father at home.
Mfite papa iwacu.
I have my mother.
Mfite mama.
They love me.
Baramu.
I have a bed.
Mfite igitanda.
I've been eating.
Kandi nsanzwe ni.
Why do I risk myself like this?
Ni kubera iki nafatuza ngo ngushyira mu byago gutya.
I got my small bag.
Fata agakapu kanjye gato nari nitwaje.
And I said, guys, bye, I salute you.
Ngira ababaje kwa turi kumwe ndabwira nti bye.
Me with my bag,
Yewe n'agakapu kanjye
back to Uganda.
dusubi iwacu i Bugande.
And I came back home.
Garuka iwacu mu rugo.
I don't know what happened to them.
Abo twari turi kumwe ntabwo nzi ibyababayeho.
The only person I heard from was a girl also who came back.
Umuntu nagize kumvaho ni umukobwa umwe wagarutse.
The rest I don't know.
Abandi sinzi uko byabagendekeye.
But for me now today,
Ariko ngewe uyu munsi
I'm here,
ndahangaha
I'm alive.
ndi muzima.
So I had a chance to make a decision
Nari mfite rero amahirwe yo gukora amahitamo.
in that one place.
Aho hantu nari mpagaze muri Zimbabwe wa munsi nari mfite amahirwe yo gukora amahitamo.
But my decision was either killing me
Amahitamo yanjye yashoboraga kunyica
or giving me life.
cyangwa akampa ubuzima.
Maybe I would bump into a lion.
Birashoboka yuko koko mukora bitekereje no gukandagira intare.
You know what lions do?
Muzi ibyo intare ikora?
I would be food to a lion, right?
Urabizi ibyo intare ikora? Ubwo nari guhinduka umuhigo wayo uwo munsi.
Not so.
Siko se byari kumera.
I would be a snack.
Nari kuba ibiryo byayo bya saa sita.
But I thank God
Ariko ndashima Imana yuko
I made a right decision.
nahisemo amahitamo meza.
And I'm alive today.
Uyu munsi ndi muzima.
And I'm speaking to you.
Nkaba ndi kuvugana nawe.
So today,
Uyu munsi rero
I want to talk about decisions.
ndashaka kuvuga ku kintu cyitwa amahitamo.
Tell your neighbor decisions.
Gira umuntu wicaranye ngo amahitamo.
You know,
Amahitamo.
decisions.
Amahitamo.
That is my topic.
Iyo niyo ntego yanjye y'inyigisho y'umunsi. Ni
You know,
amahitamo.
this age we are at now,
Murabona imyaka turimo twese ahangaha
it is so challenging.
ni imyaka ihinyuje cyane cyangwa irimo kuvangirwa kwishaka muri jambo kuvangirwa ubundi.
I remember when I was your age,
Ndabizi ngera ni mu myaka yanyu
it is like you're standing in a junction.
biba bimeze nk'aho uri mu mayira abiri.
It is a road going this side.
Hari umuhanda ujya ahangaha.
It is a road going this side.
Hari ujya hariya
It
hirya.
is a road going this
Hari
side.
ujya hariya hirya.
Another road going this
Hari
side.
ujya hirya iriya.
So you're just there
Wowe ukaba uri aho ngaho.
asking, where can I go?
Ukibaza ariko se ndajya he mu by'ukuri?
If you're a young girl,
Iyo uri umukobwa mutoya
there is a boy pulling you, come this side.
hari umusore urimo gukurura amajipo ahangaha kujyana ahahirya.
If you're a young boy,
Niba uri umuhungu mutoya
their sugar mommy is calling you, look handsome, man.
hari
Mani
abamama b'isukari baba bakubwira ngo aka gasore ni keza uri keza.
You call the mama Scar. Scar. They are just sugar mommies.
Hari abamama b'isukari
Also pulling you.
nabo baba bagukurura.
Drugs.
Haba hari ibiyobyabwenge
They are pulling you.
nabyo birimo biragukurura.
And God also wants to use you.
Kandi nanone ku rundi ruhande Imana irashaka kugukoresha.
And Satan also wants to use you.
Kandi ku rundi ruhande na Satani aragushaka nifuza kugukoresha.
But now decision lies in your hands.
Ariko reka nkubwire ngo amahitamo ari mu biganza byawe.
Which decision are you going to make?
Ni ayahe mahitamo ugomba gukora?
Ask your neighbor, which decision are you going to make?
Baza umuntu wicaranye ngo amahitamo uzakora ni ayahe?
Let me open it. You're just asking one word, which decision are you going to make for 1 minute?
Mumaze umunota wose mukibaza ngo ni amahitamo uzakora ijambo rimwe
Or you're adding your word.
cyangwa mwongeyeho n'ayahe?
Okay, that is good. So let us open the book of Proverbs.
Reka dufungure mu gitabo cy'imigani.
Proverbs 14,
Imigani igice cya 14.
chapter 14, verse 12.
Igice cya 14 umurongo wa 12.
I know we are students, anyone who can help us read English very well.
Ndabizi yuko muri abanyeshuri umuntu wadufasha gusoma icyongereza
And you can
neza
read Kinyarwanda, you can also read.
kandi n'uwadufasha gusoma ikinyarwanda neza.
Proverbs 14,
Imigani igice cya 14
chapter 12.
Verse 12.
Chapter 14, verse 12.
umurongo wa 12 igice cya 14 umurongo wa 12.
Who's reading for us?
Ninde ugiye kudusomera se? Ninde udusomera?
Okay, thank you.
Urakoze cyane.
Clap for him.
Umukomera amashyi.
You know your
Umukomera amashyi.
Imigani 14 umurongo wa 14 baravuga ngo hariho inzira itunganya umuntu ariko iherezo ryayo ni inzira
ufite Bibiliya y'Icyongereza.
She's there. Come here, please. Clap for her.
Umukomera amashyi wowe tambuka uzaje imbere. Bibiliya y'Icyongereza.
Where is your Bible?
Biri irihe?
You want to read?
Yeah.
Mine?
Yeah.
Okay. You're very wise. You're very wise.
Rero bafite yagiye kudusomera akomeje gusoma
I thought you
iya.
had 12, verse 12.
There is a way that seems like to a man, but its end is the way to the.
Basubiriremo.
There is a way that seems like to a man, but its the end is the way to the